video, we're going to replace these two basin taps. Here are the new taps we'll be installing. Alongside them, I'm using a Faucet tap kit, a really handy addition that stops taps from rotating or coming loose over time. It's especially useful when fitting taps into ceramic basins like this one, where the mounting holes can be slightly oversized. These kits cost around £8 and are well worth the investment. You can also get specific versions for ceramic baths, stainless steel sinks, and other setups. These are standard 1/2-inch basin taps, and we're going to replace the old fiber washers on the tap connectors as well. One of them is already showing signs of a leak. Step 1. Isolate the water. First, turn off the water supply. Fortunately, this setup has isolation valves. Just turn them 90 to shut off the flow. If your system doesn't have isolation valves, you'll need to turn off the main stop tap for the property, or, if you have a conventional system, you might need to close a gate valve. Step 2. Remove the old taps. Start by disconnecting the tap connectors underneath. I'm using an adjustable basin wrench, great for working in tight spaces. Hook it onto the back nut and loosen it. Once it's loose enough, you can unscrew it by hand. Next, remove the nut securing the tap to the basin. For this, use a box spanner or box wrench. Add a Tommy bar through the holes to get extra leverage. Once it's free, you can lift the old tap out from the top. Step 3. Install the new taps. Give the area a quick wipe before installing the new tap. Now, take the new tap and remove the nut and washer. Slide the Faucet tap rubber washer up the threads. Push the tap through the basin hole, then underneath. Rubber washer, brass washer, back nut. Use the box wrench and Tommy bar to tighten it up fully. This method ensures the tap is absolutely secure and won't rotate or come loose over time. Step 4. Reconnect tap connectors. Now, fit a new fiber washer to the tap tail, push the nut up, and tighten it using the adjustable basin wrench, this time in the tightening direction. No need to over-tighten, just snug enough to compress the washer and form a good seal. Repeat the same process on the other tap. The installation is identical. Step 5. Restore water and check for leaks. Turn the isolation valves back on and test the taps. Make sure everything's working properly and check underneath for any signs of leaks. As a final tip, wrap a piece of kitchen roll or tissue around each connection. If there's even a tiny weep, the tissue will show it immediately. And that's it, job done. New taps fitted, sealed, and secured properly.